Last Christmas.
Huh? What's this?
Dear Santa, enjoy the milk and cookies. The nicest bar on your list, Astonishing Studios.
Let's get this ho over with.
Aw, snap, it's you?
Hey, don't think I'm any happier to see you. After all, you made me pay for my cookies back in V50.
Santa, it ain't like that. That was one of my biggest machines, and after all, I left the coins right in front of you.
Oh yeah? Well, I still don't like the idea of paying for my cookies and giving you a gift.
You didn't?
Either way, I got you this candy machine for Christmas to see how you like being forced to pay for your candy.
Are you kidding me? That machine is awesome, and although I was left presentless this year, I made sure to get you this machine this time. But it's a dispenser.
Ooh.
So, get back to work and I'll play with the mini machine in the meantime.
Christmas.
Hello, everybody, Santa Claus here, saying thank you for watching this new Astonishing Studios YouTube video. Me and Astonishing Studios have made up over our dispute about candy machines, so he gave me this as a sign of his thanks, and I love it so much. So much, in fact, that me and Astonishing Studios have agreed to work together again to put this on the Brick Ultra YouTube channel. Now this will be on Brick Ultra sometime in December, so make sure to stay tuned for that by subscribing to Brick Ultra. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this new video. I hope all of you have a nice happy holidays, Merry Christmas and a nice Hanukkah.